Is your organization ready to move to the future of AI? Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds. And today I want to talk to you about, is your organization really ready to embrace the future that comes with all of the AI that's around us? Have you laid out a 12 to 18 month roadmap for your use of AI? Has your leadership explained that, communicated it to the entire organization? What about your AI use policy? That's really important. How do you protect your IP and the confidentiality of your clients? Do you encourage continuous learning by your employees? And have you decided what core business processes you should use AI to leverage to improve? Are your employees prepared to actively adopt and adapt to the future that comes with AI? And what are you doing to mitigate against AI hallucinations? We have an AI preparedness survey that I'd love to share with you. The link will be below. And I'd love to have a conversation about how is your organization going to move into the future that's all about AI. Thanks, and have a grateful day.